Why does your scanner show the P2184 engine code? What does it mean? P2184 is a diagnostic trouble code for engine coolant temperature sensor 2 circuit low. This engine code indicates that this means the car's computer, ECM or PCM, has detected that the engine coolant temperature sensor number 2 is reading a temperature that is lower than expected, and the reading doesn't match what sensor number 1 is reporting. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ECT sensor, wiring issues, PCM problems, other contributing factors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in VW Golf, MK, 5 GTI, and Jetta. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.